In this video, we are going to cover the types of Forex analysis. The first is fundamental analysis. This focuses on analyze the GDP, interest rate, unemployment rate, CPI, PPI, NFPs, etc. So you make your analysis based on this economic data. The next is technical analysis. With technical analysis, you focus on price actions and also using technical tools in your trading platform. For example, the support and resistance, using chart patterns, using Fibonacci's, using trend lines. So you do your analysis based on this. Next is sentimental analysis. With sentimental analysis, you focus on traders' reports and market sentiment. Example, the COT report. The COT report is the commitment of traders report. This report is released every Friday at the end of the trading week. It documents what traders did, what big institution traders did over the week. So this report is very important. You can use it to forecast what will happen the next week in the market. Next is the retail sentiment report. You use the retail sentiment report to see what retail traders are doing in the market. Retail traders here, I mean you that is trading and I. By analyzing all these reports, you can be able to tell what the market will be doing the following week or will be doing next. I know the next question on your mind would be, which of this analysis is the best? Which one should I focus more on? The answer is focus on all three. Combining all three of them together will give you the best of results. Now let's dive into the types of Forex charts. One is the line chart. This uses the closing price of the market. You can see on the screen that it's just a line, no distractions. You can also see that it's moving very clean and smooth. This is what is called the line chart. Next is the bar chart. It shows the open, high and close of the market at a particular time. The candlestick chart shows the open, the high, the lows and the close, and the color of the candle tells which set of traders was or is in control at a certain time. This is how it looks like. It may look a bit complicated, but if you know what you are doing, you'll be able to interpret what is happening on the candlestick chart. This is the most popular Forex chart.